everybody, it's Kayla, and this is Kayla Makes It out in nature. We actually have Odie out here walking with us. My husband's got him over there. And we just went by Five Below because I wanted one of these water bottles for him. Will not look at the drink I'm drinking. I wanted one of these water bottles for him, and I got me a little Let's Go on a Walk thing for his puppy obedience class so I can put the treats in there. But it makes for a great yarn holder so I can do some sock knitting on the walk. Struggling a little bit. But there's actually a hole right here for the little poo bags, but you know, if you want to stick your project through there and then get started and just use this as your project bag, that's not a bad idea either. Let's go catch up with the doggy. Emma always does a great job of capturing everything for me. Say hi, Emma. We love this little trail over close to our house. It's close to the university, and it's a nice little walking trail for the dogs and us, and they always have such beautiful flowers. Yeah. See some little berries in there. Don't worry, I didn't eat any. I got strict orders from my husband not to show him on video, so hopefully this is okay. Maybe I should tell him not to turn around. Hi, Odie. Oh well. Don't he have the cutest little family? And the cutest little puppy? Odie, are you having a good time? It was a very nice, relaxing, a little hot walk, but it was very nice.
You're not allowed to use any YouTube channel.
That's what I'm recording for.
And somebody should walk.
Is that your rock now, Odie? Yeah, that's your rock.
That is, you should look at the spider. It's got like spikes on its back.
I wonder what it was. Was it the rain? Was it Bigfoot? Do we have Bigfoot in Indiana? If we have Bigfoot in Indiana, you'd be my BFF. And I would need way more yarn to make him socks. Because this is not big enough. What? I might be able to set it down.
Thirsty?
Want water? Yep, that's yours. That's yours now. Which way do I go?
North.
Stinks out here. You smell that? I think someone's smoking something they shouldn't be. Maybe it's actually a swamp. We are out in nature. I actually ended up getting quite a few stripes done on these socks. Ainsley! We end up going to a different part of the trails. Oh, hi! You ready for some water yet? We just found a little library. Ooh, one of my favorite books. I may have to come back and drop off some books in there. The mosaic art on the trail right here was just absolutely gorgeous. Here's some more beautiful tile art. Not really sure what it is. I'm thinking maybe like flower blooms of some sort. What do you think? Emma snuck a video of me knitting in my natural habitat. I hope you guys have a great day. Let's go out looking at this cute little kitty. That cat's got some great socks.